That I'm serving a pussy. Okay. That's a meeting. So when you're not in her office, okay. So this is the thing. Hanging, they give a directive that count 7 doesn't exist anymore. So that they should amend it, change it. It doesn't exist. I still play to that same 14 law.
Yes, it was an error.
It's not an error, big error. So I want them to correct
that. That was one of the motions we asked. That appeal should be set aside.
That's correct.
And it has not been heard.
Nnamdi Kanu storms Supreme Court, begs CJN to stop in trial, cites repealed law. This na Synok Media, the channel when they report the news and they make them simple for everybody to understand. We dey thank una when they view us. Abeg subscribe if you never do so. Put on your notification bell. It go remind you as we drop update. Like, comment, and share the video. My people, make una gather here to read wey hot past morning pap. Today for Abuja, something wey nobody expect don happen. Leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, don waka enter Supreme Court by himself. Not be lawyer carry letter this time, not be spokesperson. Na Kanu himself, flesh and blood, wey storm the highest court for the land, Supreme Court, to personally drop one letter for the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Kudirat Kekere-Ekun. Inside that letter, e dey beg make them discontinue in terrorism trial, say the law wey dem take charge am don already dey repealed. The moment e show face, some workers for the court compound begin shout, Onyedu, meaning our leader. E be like say even for the tight security environment, emotion still full ground. Now make we break this matter down, because wetin Nnamdi Kanu do today not be ordinary legal move, na symbolic and strategic step. According to reports from Nigerian Affairs Journal, Kanu personally submitted that letter around 11 a.m. this morning inside the office of the CJN herself. He talks say as far as in dey concerned, the Terrorism Prevention Act wey dem take hold am don already change, and because of that, make them end the case. But wait first, e no be as simple as e sound. Make we unpack small. Nnamdi Kanu case don dey drag since 2021 after dem arrest am for one foreign country wey many people still dey argue about how the arrest even happen. Government charge am for terrorism and treasonable felony, say e dey push separatist movement wey dey threaten the unity of Nigeria. But Kanu and im lawyers don always dey argue say, look, una no get jurisdiction to even try this case because una arrest me illegally, and the law wey una base the charges on don change. The key point wey Kanu dey push now na say the section 27 of the Terrorism Act wey dem use no dey exist again as before. Government later amend the law, so e claim be say you no fit continue to prosecute person under law wey don already repeal. When Kanu arrived the Supreme Court compound this morning, eyewitnesses talk say security men first no wan allow am enter, but after short talk between his lawyers and security team, dem open road. As e dey waka go in, some court workers wey recognize am begin hail, Onyedu. E be like say na long time dem never see am come court in person, so the sight of im figure spark emotion everywhere. Inside the building, dem say e move calm, dress in all white, carry small brown envelope, the letter wey later reach the office of the Chief Justice. Now the question wey dey everybody mind na this: why Kanu go take this step now? Why not wait for his lawyers to file normal motion? Some analysts believe say e fit be symbolic protest, a way to remind the judiciary say his case still dey hang for too long without final decision. Another angle be say e dey try appeal to conscience, to touch the moral side of the CJN herself, make she look into the matter as mother of the bench. But make we not deceive ourselves. This one not be only legal matter, e get political undertone too. Ever since Kanu case begin, e don divide opinions across Nigeria. Some people dey see am as freedom fighter, while others dey call am national security threat. Every appearance, every word, even every court motion they carry political weight. So this move wey he make today fit still send message to his supporters say, my fight never die, I still dey push no matter the wall. Meanwhile, inside government circles, some people fit dey view this latest action as another drama tactic meant to draw public sympathy or pressure the court. Already, reactions don begin roll for social media. For X, formerly Twitter, the video wey show Kanu arriving the court don go viral. People dey argue for both sides. One user write say justice delayed is justice denied. If the law don repeal, let him go. Another user reply am say nobody dey above the law. You no fit use outdated technicality escape serious crime. Even human rights groups don begin drop statement say make the Supreme Court handle the matter with transparency and fairness. Now, if you look am from pure legal lens, Kanu argument get small technical merit, because if truly the section wey dem use charge am don repeal, the prosecution suppose review the case file. But if you look am from national security side, government go talk say repeal or no repeal, terrorism still be crime, and the spirit of the law still dey valid. So we dey look another long legal tussle ahead. Make we remember say this no be the first time Nnamdi Kanu go court with strong move. Back in 2017, he get bail, but later the situation scatter when him no appeal for trial. Na that one trigger fresh arrest later. Since then, courts don deny am several bail applications. Even the Court of Appeal at one point discharge am, but Supreme Court later reverse am, say the trial still fit continue. Now, this new letter fit be another twist in the endless Kanu versus federal government saga. Politically, the timing too dey interesting because the southeast region still dey sensitive, and any move wey involve Nnamdi Kanu fit spark both hope and tension at the same time. Some insiders believe say if Supreme Court take am serious, e fit open door for reconciliation talk, especially as new political figures from the region dey call for political solution to Kanu matter. But others want say make we not use emotion take weaken the justice system. But my people, another angle wey plenty observers never notice be this: Nnamdi Kanu not just carry that letter for show. Insiders talk say the document contain one detailed reference to the Federal Gazette of 2022, where the amendment to the Terrorism Act actually appear, meaning say im team don do full homework, dem not just dey quote social media talk. Plus, e get whisper say one retired justice and two senior advocates wey still get close link to the Supreme Court don dey quietly advise the bench make dem review the file with fairness. So if this inside gist true, we fit dey look small shift for tone, from total silence to quiet consideration. Either way, Kanu don use this letter remind Nigeria say im case never die, and the final chapter still dey right for inside the Supreme Court building. We go dey follow this story closely as e unfold, especially to know whether the Chief Justice go acknowledge the letter officially and wetin the federal government legal team go respond. For now, one thing clear: the Nnamdi Kanu case never near the end. Instead, e just enter another chapter. If you dey watch us for the first time, make you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and follow us as we dey bring una the real gist from inside Nigeria's political and legal ground. Till next time, na Synok Media dey bring you the matter as e take be.